Hi guys, it's me Kareem Anwar from Topic Techland. I hope guys you are doing well. Today our topic how to convert any file into zip file. It is very easy, very simple. You just stay with me. I will tell you step by step. So first of all, to make a file like as you see here I create a folder. In this folder I add some. So as you see here that I make a file. So just simply do right click on this file. So when you do right click, this as many options appears in front of you. So here you select add to archive like this. So when you click on add to archive, this type of page appears in front of you. So here you get many options like general, advanced, option files, backup time and format, etc. So here you select format of file like zip file, and here you select name, select any of name, and then press OK. So as you see here that my file has been converting into zip file. So we just wait it for few minutes. It will definitely take 4 to 5 minutes. So we just wait it. As you see here that my file has been converting into zip file. So as I open, so you see here that my file has completely converted into zip file. So guys, it is very easy method to convert your any file into zip file. So I hope guys this video will be helpful for you. So if you think that this video will be helpful for you, so please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel Topic Tech9. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye.